Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to my channel. Today we have a review of the Glacier coin series. This is a coin that is from the British Antarctic territories. I found out it's a set of 6 coins. The two planets who are not in this series are Jupiter and Pluto. This coin is Mercury. It has an issue of 1950 and it's the standard weight and dimensions as other £2 coins. The portrait of Charles isn't the best one that I've seen. If we go down, now I have a series of these coins that I'm going to be showing, and the portrait is always the same, and it's not the best one I've seen of Charles. It's a little bit lacking. However, we're not here for this, we're here for the coin. And if I go down and come out a little bit, there we go. Is that? Oops. There we go. This is a coin Mercury. Please excuse the fan being on. It is rather a warm day today. I do hope it doesn't take away too much from your enjoyment. So what can we say about what is available about this, about what this coin is about, which is the Mercury Glacier. The Mercury Glacier, let me just get to the right page. It says Mercury, here we go. It is in the southeast corner of Alexandria Island. It's 5 miles wide and 2 miles long. Its location is the Waitbait Cliffs, and it runs down to the Keystone Cliffs. The other important thing for this coin as far as the Glacier goes is it's not part of what is referred to as the planet heights. Now the planet heights is each of the glaciers, each of the planets in our solar system has its own glacier, and it's known, the rest of them within the area is actually part of what's called the planet heights. The coin itself, you have the figure of Mercury. Oops. With his winged helmet, and then on the other side of him, I think that might be a picture of the actual glacier itself, although I can't be 100% sure. You have its name, the name of the coin to the top, which is Mercury, and you have the value at the bottom. This series of 6 coins are good, and I have enjoyed seeing them, so yeah. This coin itself, as I say, is one of a series of 6. The 6 being Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Neptune and Saturn and Uranus. So, what do you think of this coin? I actually do I have liked this series. It's now finished. You are available, if you wish to buy all 6 as a group set from Popjoy, or they were still available as individual cards like this one. So, what do you think of this coin? Is it something that you perhaps would like in your collection? If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, Thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.